So you guys want to use this CapCut because every time CapCut does an update, they remove features that are just not accessible. Like I'll show you guys why I don't update and I'm at 1.0.5. I'll show you guys. So guys, I get all these effects for free. Transitions for free. Texas for free, and I was using the newest CapCut, and guys, you know what I found out? Can't even use AutoCap anymore. They removed it. So the new method is, guys, you guys want to go. I'm going to. So you just, if you guys don't want to use the link, just type in CapCut 1.0.5. Click here, and it shows all the versions, right? And you want to download the 1.0.5. This is probably the best one to use right now. And if you guys like 1.0.5, I'll make a special video showing you extra things that you guys can do on 1.0.5. Yeah. Thank me later. Make sure y'all sub and like and stay tuned. Shit about to get wicked. You feel me? So you guys download this, and then if you guys want to make a video, just make sure you guys do not update. So whatever I have in here. So we're going to drag this down. And I'll show you guys some things that we can do. So FPS lag. Oh, wait, is this even YouTube? I don't even think that's YouTube. It can be shown on YouTube. Oh gosh, that's the wrong one that I want to be used. Alright, this. Okay, so
we turn now to the terrifying. We turn
you
now
guys
to the
see,
terrifying moments.
it's
We turn
click
now
and
to
play.
we turn now to the terrifying moments at a holiday light show.
Click and play. For the people that are like on Adobe Premiere, no, just leave it. I wish I did. Hopefully this video helps out somebody. Hey man.